Hello guys, welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful features Excel has to offer, pivot tables. To get started, let's insert a pivot table. Simply navigate to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. There are two options to create a pivot table. If you want to create a pivot table using data from the active sheet, select from the table range option. Or if you want to create a pivot table using data from the external data source, select from external data source option. Here we select from the table range option. You can see that your table will be selected automatically. Next, choose where you want your pivot table to be placed. You can create a new worksheet or use an existing one. Here we select existing worksheet and choose a location. Click OK. Once your pivot table is created, you will see the pivot table fields pane. This is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop fields into the rows, columns, values and filters areas to organize and analyze your data. Let's start by dragging the product field into the rows area and the sales field into the values area. Instantly, Excel summarizes our sales data by product. But what if we want to focus on a specific region or time period? No problem. Just drag the region field into the filter area and now we can easily filter our data. Now let's make our pivot table visually appealing. Head over to the Design tab where you can choose from a variety of pre-designed pivot table styles. Refreshing pivot table data. Now I change the sales figure. You can see that there is no changes in the pivot table. But not to worry. Select the pivot table and right-click on it and click on Refresh. It will automatically update with the latest information. And there you have it. Pivot tables are a game changer when it comes to analyzing and summarizing your data in Excel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.